These cylinders will actually roll this up. Okay, so they are used for projects for construction, also for mining. This is the same one where they actually use it to hold, okay, and then they drive this up. Okay, they actually pull this up. Then they repair the sleeving cable and then they actually pull it back in.
Because usually for the SC3, does this have a maximum height requirements? This is to look like the maximum height.
Which one?
The high maximum.
Which the maximum or can?
No, it can go to 10 and 15 meters. For 250 tons.
15 meters.
Yes, 1.5. Yeah, you see.
1.5.
Yeah, so capacity per hour. So typically it's 4 hours. So let's say talking about 250 tons capacity, it can achieve 10 meter height.
10 meter.
Yeah, for 500 tons capacity, it is 15 meter. So this is times 4 is 1000 tons capacity. If you use the system, 500 tons times 4 is 2000 tons capacity.
And so that does this need any control system for control the
Yes.
four points?
Yes.
Simultaneously is called SFP.
Yes.
SFP. Connecting SFP.
No, this is SCC. We use
SCC.
smart box also.
Ah,
This is
yes,
the
smart
same
box.
system as we use for the strand jacks. Okay, but they reverse it like instead of pulling or something.
Look, I have the program in the computer and connect with the smart box.
Yes.
And connect to
with
the pump.
Laptop. The smart box. This is the one.
Yeah.
This is the SCC controls. Is connected to. So the motion that means the synchronization is controlled by this SCC.
Yeah.
We send the signal. This is the interface with the operator. Things the operator use this to actually control the synchronization movement. Okay, so it gives the controls to the SCC, and then this SCC will send a signal to these four jack-up system to say that okay, everybody move at the same time. Give the command move at the same time. Of course, this is the cylinders are powered by the what we call the electric. The electric motor is powered. Okay, so hydraulically powered by the motor, which receive the signal from the SCC controllers.
Yeah.
Okay, so how it is? Okay, so I show you also a video of the jack-up system. So a lot of customers nowadays, if they buy the jack-up system, especially in Europe and Japan, they are using it for reach. You see, as you guys can see. Okay, so this is the SPMTs. So these are the SPMTs. SPMT means self-propelled modular transporter. You can add an axle, add on the weight, add on the what we call the modules, and then it becomes a very big machine, like a trailer, remote control trailer, and then you move it from point A to point B easily. So some of those manufacturers are like Gohofer, Commento, okay, and then I think there's someone called Schroeder or something. These are the three main of the SPMTs manufacturers. Gohofer especially. We see quite a fair bit of Gohofer, and also Commento. See, so basically this is how it is. They check everything up, okay, with this, and then they move it. Then you move this crane, okay, with this bridge, you move from point A to another point.
Giống thần đèn công lũy của mình đó.
Actually, they can control by it. Also, this
Ah,
SPMT can
yeah.
also go up and down with the remote controls. Yeah, so you see down, this
Này
goes down already.
ca của thần đèn hơn. Yes. Oh, yes.
Yes, you see. If they need to fine tune, they use this SPMT to also fine tune the height. SPMT is about 1.1 meter, so that can be up and down, very fine adjustments. You see the same? Yeah. So they don't need to use a crane. They just use this jack-up system with SPMTs.
Yeah.
The job is done. I'm not too sure if there is an SPMT distributor over in Vietnam. I did try to find, but I don't think.
Để bán nhau đều cả.
But I think a lot of ports are using
A lot.
SPMTs. Yeah.
But for this application, I think need the requirements flat on the road.
I would think
and back.
generally flat. Generally flat is
Nói chung là đường xét cơ bản là được rồi. Đường xét cơ bản là được rồi.
Tại vì nó là đi nghiêng đường thì sẽ có nghiêng với các
Đường cơ bản là được. Cái này nó dài phân bố đều ra. Tại cái này là cái trolley. Số ly thì nó có thể nó móc mô được. No need the flat like that.
Yeah. Generally,
The
flat,
general road is okay.
General road is okay. It's
Yeah.
no issue.
Yeah.
But this is just the ideas lah. Because I would think that maybe if I may request you guys if you all want to start
Because in Vietnam right now they still
they
use
use
the
the
crane.
crane everywhere.
Yeah.
But the issue is sometimes you definitely talk to these customers. Okay, like I think the other one is called Transmax or something, and then there's also PLC. If let's say you look at project logistics company, they will know about this system because a lot of times sometimes their crane cannot fit, then they cannot fit for the project, then they also have a problem. So our system are actually good to be employed in areas where traditional cranes don't fit. You have a lot of access problem, then you cannot put in a crane, people will actually consider our systems.
Yeah, because with sense of the
Save a lot of space. Save a lot of
space,
space. We save a lot
so
of space.
cannot put the crane inside.
Yeah, correct. Then people.
This is solution to show for that.
Correct. So we actually, that's why they call it a technology. We are providing solutions to the customers.
Yeah.
Okay, Evo series is basically something that works like discrete four pump, but it comes with a PLC. So basically the Evo is a new solution. So basically there is warning and stop alarm. So other is like a split four pump but more features. So for example, you have stand work modes. You can navigate to this menu, preloading. That means you can set the load that you want to carry. The menu, you can do the manual adjustments. Automatic is when you are using with loud synchronization. That means, for example, if you synchronize, maximum we can do 48 points. Because this we come in 4, 8, 12 points. Okay, so if let's say you need more 48 points, then you can use this as well.
You can connect
Together with the master controller. Sorry, can I just go to the toilet for 1 minute? I just need to.
Okay.
Sorry, I have to
Yeah.
48 điểm.
Một lớp.
Cái này còn cao cấp hơn cái thằng cái Smart Box nữa. Cái hôm qua cái này đúng là dạng như gãi vào chỗ ngứa của khách hàng đúng không?
Đúng rồi.
Nỗi đau của cái việc dùng cậu, cái cậu nó lại có cái điểm thuận lợi là nó có thể thuê. Có rất nhiều thằng cho thuê cậu,
nhưng mà nó bị hạn chế không gian.
Thì đúng rồi, xét về tính cái cạnh mà kinh tế, chẳng hạn như nó cần thuê 1 tháng 2 tháng là xong. Còn những cái món này chưa, nhiều khi người ta dùng nâng một cái máy phát điện thôi đúng không, hoặc nâng một cái transformer lắp xong là xong rồi, nó đâu giờ đầu tư nguyên một cái hệ thống như vậy được, chi phí rất là lớn.
Thì cái này là những cái thằng mà chuyên cho đi thuê cậu á, bán cho mấy thằng đó đó.
Đúng, chính xác. Bán với nó là một giải pháp thay vì cậu trên nhà nâng ở dưới.
Đúng rồi.
Để giới thiệu cho mấy thằng đó, nó là một cái là nó đầu tư.
Đúng rồi.
Và nó biết được đâu là khách hàng,
đâu là chỗ
chỗ ngứa, là chỗ đau,
chỗ nào nó không đưa cậu ra được.
Chính xác.
Mà nó trả khách hàng, nó trả mắc hơn nữa.
Đúng rồi. Nó trả chỗ chuyện bình thường, tại vì nó đầu tư mua cái máy và nó phải bỏ số tiền lớn để mua và nó cho thuê,
và nó đưa giải pháp cho khách hàng mà. Hay á.
Rồi cái này thì mấy mà cho thuê cậu, thấy cậu đang có một vài
hợp lý luôn
lại cái cần tắc á.
Cái này bán này mới đã này, bán một system thôi là đủ đi nhậu.
Tính này giá trị khủng.
Đủ qua anh nhậu chưa nói.
Đủ qua Mỹ nhậu.
Đi qua Manchester City nó nhậu cái kiểu Everton thì Mỹ Everton.
Đi qua nhậu cái trận đấu với Everton với Chelsea. Cái hệ thống đấy mà nâng lên nó vẫn phải có hạ xuống, nâng lên nó vẫn hạ xuống, tại vì phải nhét do vô. Đúng rồi. Nhưng còn cái hệ thống mà SCJ không biết là nó có phải hạ xuống không?
SCJ hả?
Cái SCJ thì nó nhét vào có phải là khớp, nhưng không biết là cái video nó nói vậy, nhưng
nó hạ xuống đó,
nó vẫn phải hạ xuống một chút đúng không?
Hạ xuống để nó đẩy
nó dư để nó lóc.
Hạ xuống để nó lóc cái con cái con cam á, nó lóc như vậy thì nó mới đẩy lên tiếp được. Xong nó hạ xuống một tí hay là cái con cam lóc rồi nó đẩy lên.
Nếu mà cơ cấu nào mà nếu mà nó nâng lên xong nhét vô vừa khít mà nâng tiếp thay vì nâng lên thì hạ xuống.
Đâu ra? Đâu ra? Cái này là nó automatic luôn. Thực tế là hiện tại á, là nâng lên, xong nâng lên tới đâu là lót đồ vô tới đó, lót gỗ, lót gạch, lót đồ tùm lum hết. Đó. Lót bằng tay, thằng này là cái kích như vậy thì nó đều luôn, nó sẽ bằng phẳng luôn.
Muốn đều là phải thêm các bộ điều khiển smart box này. Nếu mà muốn nâng 4 chân hoặc 6 chân đều nhau.
Đúng rồi.
Thì,
hợp lý.
thêm bộ
Mà mấy thằng ở cảng nó cực kỳ cưng luôn.
Okay, so this Evo series, so basically it comes in 4 and 12 points.
So this Evo system is much more smarter than smart box. Smart box how many?
This one is more like more precision. So sometimes you need to tilt the cylinders, and then you want need to know the readings. It's possible. And then there's accuracy. You set the cylinders going up. And then you set it to 1 mm accuracy is also possible. So this is more precise, accurate. So if let's say sometimes you need to leave a synchronized load, which is like maybe artifact, for example, which minimum damage must be. So you need to leave everything very slowly, very articulately. You can use this Evo. Cylinders leave up and then very like articulate. Because the difference can reach all the way to about 1 mm difference.
1 mm.
Then there's also data login. You can also do weighing. Okay.
1 mm. Yeah.
Fast retract also 1 mm. So this is actually quite interesting. Then you got the stroke sensor. You can measure how much stroke it is. If you need to weigh, fast retract, data login, everything is possible. So you need to have the records, everything. It's not possible. So fast retract, COG, weighing. Fast retract means, for example, you don't have to keep pressing onto a button. You just press this fast retract and then the cylinders will go to the needed height. Okay, so some of the applications for the Evo itself is you're doing the bridge replacement or simply using the cyclic system. So for example, you use this, set everything, you do the settings, ready. Okay, with the hoses, goes all the way to the. So now this is in operation. So now it goes to this cylinders, knock cylinder, lock it ready. You take away the old bearings, you put in the new ones. Then you use the Evo. Okay, use the Evo again to because the bridge of bearings need to be replaced. So many times I don't know how it's done, but it looks like it's going to replace one by one. So with this Evo series, you can just leave everything at the same time, replace all the bearings, and then you just release it. So these are
thay mấy gối đỡ ở cầu á. Bữa mà thay cầu Phú Mỹ mà chơi cái này thì nhanh, làm nó quá. Yeah.
Okay, synchronous system. Okay, so synchronous system is basically something that when you are lifting a load, sometimes you need to fine adjust. Okay, this is an attachment you can put to the crane. It can actually help you on that line. So also the accuracy is about plus or minus 1 mm. Okay. Typical supply is 4 units of the sync hoist, 1, 2, 3, 4 together. And then capacity cylinder is 55 tons, or 110 tons. So total is 220 tons, 340 tons, 440 tons capacity itself. Okay. So these are the stroke 1 meter or 1.5 meters itself. So you can see sometimes they need to use leave a very long load, long and heavy load. For this case, this is the hull of the ship. They can enrich this itself. So this is quite a simple application. So in terms of like say usage, for example, now we need to use it to install a pipe, for example. So with these pipings, okay, when it comes, so you see all these sync hoists are already in place waiting for the pipes to come. So you can see this is lifted. Okay, this is also in the SPMT study. So basically the pipes, they need to install it here. They need to install, but what happens is when they're lifted up, because this is long pipe, so any movement is a changes of the COG. So you can see this is tilted already. This is heavier than over here. And then it goes. Okay, so what happens? You can't go like this, right? So you use this to find gear. Okay? And then you finish ready, you can just go in. Goes back in again. So you can see this is actually tilted, but this is actually balanced in terms of the loading. So these are synchronous systems that attach to the crane. So pretty straightforward, but very effective.
This is to control the signal
Balance.
system. Need
The balance.
have a balance sensor.
Correct.
Balance sensor.
Typically not say balance sensor because this is basically just working on the hydraulic cylinders. Okay, and the operator of this unit itself normally will take a man-up machine and goes up to the point where it is. Okay, or they sit on the platform. They install the hoses. Really, then from there they'll start to use it like a bit more manually to actually fine tune.
Manually.
Manually.
Not
Mostly it's
controlled by
yeah.
automatically. Control the balance.
Correct. Mostly it's manual. For us, it's mostly manual. They would prefer actually manual.
Thì manual nhanh hơn.
Correct. There's also automatic, but I don't really see a lot of inquiries for the auto, but mostly the manual stuff. Yeah. Of course, we can also plug in the auto. Can adjust the button and just
Easy.
easy. A lot of them they actually use the manual ones. Okay, the last one that I'd like to introduce to you guys is the e-mover. So e-mover is I don't know if you guys know there's a load skid. Okay, so you put the thing on it and then you just push. So these are load skids. Something looks like this. When you put the load onto this and then you just move itself. We come in 10 tons, 30 tons, and 30 tons. This is powered by lithium battery. Okay. So this is how it looks like when it comes in Singapore. So I'll just show a quick video about the application itself. So this is basically how it's worked. Okay. So they use it to move machinery, for example. Wireless control. Just moving it away. Just start pick up the load. Using the lithium battery. So you can actually basically charge it. So you can store it properly into this transport frame. Okay. So basically this is used to move machines. Okay, also used to lift containers. Now they use generators as well. They actually move it correctly. So pretty straightforward lah. So basically just go inside, lift it up, and just move it from point A to point B. It can be somewhat similar to your trolley. Somewhat similar to your trolleys.
This look like robots to lift up. Have inside the warehouse. To move it.
Yes, warehouse. Yeah, basically this from actually you're right because this they use it to move generators, diesel generaters in our warehouse itself. Because they need to position. Sometimes the load is where it is, and then sometimes they need to move it from point A to point B. They actually use this.
To control by wireless controls by hand.
Other than that, also for the semicon industry, when they need to move the machine, they also use this. So
And how about connected to controls four sets of this?
Control
No, this is
Only
only
one.
the front and back only. That means only the e-mover. We just show you. This is only here, and then there's these two only. This is the front and the back.
Front and back.
Yeah. So this is powered by remote control. Remote control, which
Front,
is
front and back.
this one will use it to wireless. This wireless remote control will just power this only.
The wireless control is
Only control this. Then this one got this is only manual. This does not actually follow. Correct.
Okay.
I'll just show.
Look like the automotive is with the backside.
With the
With the
backside.
backside control.
Yeah.
Xe một cầu trước là được cố định.
Just give it a minute.
Cái này công nghệ cũ rồi, cái này trong nhà máy nó xài robot với AI đó rồi.
Robot.
So
Cái này tải nặng.
I thought the customer will actually use it to move their genset itself.
Yeah.
So you can see this one is actually using. Yeah. So this is the front. You're using this to move, and this genset
This
is at the
front
back.
side or
Yeah,
this the back
and
side?
the back side is here.
Back side here, front
Yeah,
side.
this front side is here. So this is the diesel generator. They use it to move a diesel generator. They also use it to move. Also recently, I would also want to see. They use it to move this this thing.
Container.
Yeah, container. So possible to move a container. Yeah. So this container, and then they actually use their own. Our follower scale is actually at the back there.
Okay, I
Yeah,
see.
correct. So, but this is a diesel generator. It's 40-foot diesel generator.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so so we can also do customization.
Yeah.
We also use customization, and then also these are the companies that we actually do.
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah, quite a lot.
Like
So for example, people like Depot Express,
Express,
Mohammed,
Sunhill,
Ale.
Rolly, these are basically our customers. I don't know if you heard before Marmot. Marmot is well, also our customer. Depot Express, Rolly's Rolly.
Yeah, ALE is in Vietnam is quite strong for moving construction, big construction, so like oil rig and finishing.
But this type of customers, mostly when they buy equipment, they will buy from Europe because they have tax rebates. So if let's say you guys want to target customers like ALE, say it's ALE, but Vietnamese company.
Vietnamese company.
Yeah, a Vietnamese company. People like I can't remember, but there are some which is I think it's called Transmax. Transmax, I think in Ho Chi Minh.
Yeah,
There's quite a few because I'm also American. So some of these are American friends. So basically I think Ho Chi Minh there is quite a fair bit of them. So maybe you can talk to Tak and say. Actually, I give some context to Tak.
yeah, a lot.
To say heavily contractors, maybe you can approach them and see whether heavily can be interesting for them. Which maybe following up, I will talk to Tak. Instead, maybe we should visit them together.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is our website. Also a YouTube channel. You can see some of the videos that's actually posted there.
Yeah.
So if anything that can be
YouTube
interesting,
channel.
please have a look at it.
Yeah.
So just any questions?
Yeah.
So we use man to lift up.
Okay.
Don't need to use man. Use our machine can already.
I think when I go to customer when they have some question I cannot answer. I
Refer to me. I can have a meeting with the customer also.
Yeah,
I can show them this video. I can show them specialized ones.
Yeah.
No problem. Just let me know. I will be glad to help.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can do I can do an online one, or I visit Vietnam and see you guys or something.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
You have email and
Yeah.
Well,
Send
WhatsApp,
email.
use WhatsApp
WhatsApp.
mobile number.
WhatsApp, yeah. Mobile number can WhatsApp me
Can,
as well.
okay,
I'm
yes.
also on WhatsApp group. Then okay, just quick one.
Mm.
Okay, I have to apologize that for the this one for the DTA. I don't have much information. Okay, so I just have a very generic one to share with you guys. So because I was actually intrigued that you all also supplied with some trolleys for the end users at one time, right? So if let's say you look at our website over in September this year, we actually ENERPAC Group has acquired DTA. So DTA in a nutshell is actually a Spanish company that does a lot of this type of product, this type of trolley system. Okay, trolley system, all these also trailers, trolleys, all these to move loads from point A to point B. Okay, so they also have wire guidance. Okay, they have basically, I think in a nutshell they are called either SPMDs or AGVs. So they have built-in DTA especially designed for customers. Okay, in the most optimal way. The AGVs are used essentially for load transport inside our factories, or the capacity to carry loads of any heaviness or delicate in an efficient way, always ensuring the safety of operators. Okay, so their AGVs have the following system: wire guiding, magnet or optical. So this AGV, they follow a route marked by a wire bearing on the floor. This wire generates a magnetic field that guides the AGV on its route. It's like AGV, I think you guys know.
Yeah.
Magnetic, okay, this is improvement. They use the magnetic field to be generated by a magnet instead of a wire, which avoids the usage of electricity on the wires. So they use magnet to guide it. Optical, they follow a route that's marked by a painted line, which is detected by the optic installed on the AGV. It's easier to install and modify. So they use the optic to search for the signals and then they move to that route itself. Okay, artificial vision, they also use artificial vision, okay, to recognize the tire, okay, calculate the deviation, and then they use the AGV and correct it instantly. Artificial vision. They also use laser guiding itself. Okay, so I would say that at this moment, what we want to do is, if let's say you guys have any inquiries, this will more like your customized one. Refer to me. I'll need to check with the factory before to get back to you some information. So these are the type of products that they actually come up with. They self-propelled one with the lifting beam. They use in tandem with the lifting frame or omnidirection, 360 degrees, or self-propelled one. We use this remote control to achieve moving. So these are some of the ranges that actually has been come up with.
DTA from Spain, right?
From Spain.
Yes.
From Spain. Alright.
Okay.
So lifting frame, they transfer the right under the frame, pick up the load. So the capacity is 30 to 150 tons. They do something like this. Okay. And then tandem configuration is synchronized tandem with configuration of multiple units, 2XL and 4XL. Capacity range 25 to 150 tons. So it can be used for like hull of ships, and machinery, very heavy machinery. Okay. And then omnidirection, this is how it looks like. So 2XL 15 to 75 tons, 4XL is 75 to 150 tons. Goes in all different kind of directions. Okay, so the application that is actually used for, we use for food industry, paper mills. Okay, outdoors we can also use it for oil and gas, shipbuilding, steel mills, power generation. Okay, real all this type of inquiries. So if let's say you have something in your application or customers you're going to see that needs to move maybe anything between 10 to 150 tons, just let us know. Okay, we can have solutions for them in this industry. Okay, so just a very quick one. I don't have much information, apologies, but once I have more, I will be able to share with you. Because this is just very recent.
Yeah. Okay.
So, any questions for me?
I can get this slide, right?
I can share with you guys.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Because I want to open to our customer.
Yeah.
Because actually for this those kinds of products is quite technical and need more information from us.
Yeah, I think need a bit of time. But I think as a start, maybe we will work on to see we approach some maybe from that. We will get this product and then we see how we can actually help. Because I think this will be very interesting for them.
Yeah.
Because sometimes they don't know. What I like to do is to have an information sharing with them to see that we have this product. So what do you think?
Yeah. So that I think these those kinds of products are very show for customers range in kinds of user crane, big crane, blah blah blah.
Yeah. So instead of crane, we got this. You see. So something to share with them.
Yeah. Can I copy these slides?
Yeah.
I will because
Send.
no, we have a problem with the.
You can send my WhatsApp.
I will send by email to you guys.
Email. Okay.
But
Yes.
okay, what happened is I have access about the what we call the
USB-C.
USB we can't. Okay, and then unless we got a special type of USB, this what we call this.
I don't know. It's very
Special type of,
yeah.
I call it dongle, but actually it's not dongle. It's the USB stick.
Yeah, the USB-C.
Yeah. Either that or
USB Type C.
I can send either with transfer call. But I'm having some issue transfer call. So I can do now is to send to you guys the PDF.
Yeah.
PDF okay rồi.
Okay, but the PDF will not have the video.
Yeah.
At least if you have an idea.
Yeah. Video we can go to website. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have our own videos on YouTube?
On the YouTube, you can actually refer to that.
Okay,
So that
yeah.
one is for your reference, you know, and share with
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you very much. So I'm heading over to
I think we
Jason.
Check your phone numbers for easy to
Yeah,
contact
no
in the
problem.
future.
Yes. You can
Yeah.
use
This one also.
WhatsApp mobile.
Mm.
Okay. I still have WhatsApp also.
So Mr. Mr. Tree and Mr. Hong.
I think maybe next time you will travel to Vietnam a lot. I'll get some this a lot of your solution.
Yeah, that'll be nice. That'll be nice.
Nice.
I'm on the way to call you to share your phone number or something.
Okay, no problem. You can call me. No problem. I also save your phone number into my phone,
Yeah.
just that we can actually be in touch.
Yeah.
Okay, I send the
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Tree.
Mr.
Mr. Tree. Okay.
Yes, in
Okay. I got it.
the Willie.
Yeah, Mr. Tree. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the same name with the very famous actor Willie.
Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Free Willy.
Yeah, tree. My name tree. Yeah.
Tree, yeah, Mr. Tree. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So anything, just let me know, lah.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks for your stay.
Thank you so much, Mr. Tree. Thank you so much. Okay, catch you guys later.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, see you.
Let me just pass this over to
Okay.
the producer. What, 1 minute?